Well, hello boys and girls, friends, enemies, ladies, gentlemen, weirdos, and those who aren't sure, of course. Do you know, I've been riding up this road. I've been doing it for years now, although I left the area for a good 20 years. I used to do this road when I was courting my first wife on a Triumph Bonnie. So it was back in 77. And I was trying to reflect on how the road had changed. And it dawned on me that the road hadn't changed. Yes, different white lines, different speed restrictions, some new houses here and there, but the road is still the road. So it got me to realising I should be thinking about, how have I changed? Excuse me, little cough in the middle there, little upper class cough. And first thing to work out is years. So it's been nearly 40 years. And oh, I've changed. In those 40 years I've done a degree, I've been a senior business partner, I've been a policeman, I've more or less travelled the world. I haven't been to America, admittedly, but most points in between. And my life was going in a wonderful course. You know, it's going upwards financially, house-wise, vehicle-wise. And then of course the bank crash caused redundancy, 3 on the trot. And combined with a menopause, a massive, very nasty, very explosive divorce. So here I am, probably about as poor as I was when I was first courting, still riding the same road. Do I feel different? Well, when I'm riding the bike, no I don't. My mindset is totally different. I think I ride the road more cautiously, or more aware, should I say, because I can still ride a bit too fast for my own good. And the biggest noticeable difference is the sheer volume of traffic. I could come home on this road of a night time and not see another car. Now it's just endless vehicles. And this queue in front of me would have been unheard of. Technology. I've got an iPhone which I use as my sat-nav because it's damn sight better than my TomTom. I've got Bluetooth. I'm talking to you on a GoPro. And I embrace the technology, I love it. I think it's wonderful stuff. So I've matured, almost. I still have the ability to unleash my inner child, which I think if you lose that, you lose a lot. So I can still play, not be silly, I can play. When the girls come over, you know, we can have egg fights and that sort of thing, and just be silly, tickle fights and pillow fights, and I'm glad of that. I'd hate to grow up to be one of these older people who doesn't want to laugh and joke and play, and there are an awful lot out there. There are an awful lot out there. Yeah, I've got a few more aches and pains than I've ever had. I don't like those. But when I'm on the bike, I don't notice them. So it's mindset, isn't it? I think my mind is, although it's gained an awful lot more knowledge, an awful lot more experience, my mind is still basically the same, if that makes sense. I still see the world with wonder. There are so many things, from the weather to scenery to people, that still amaze me. Again, fascination, I'd hate to lose that. And I can find it, I can be in the now and find it in the smallest of things. So the road hasn't really changed. And upon reflection, I haven't really changed. Isn't that nice? I think that's wonderful. I still have the same temperament. My sister came round to see me yesterday. She's 2 years older than me, and she said she still sees the teenager in me, the same rebellious instincts and the same attitudes. So to not lose those things, I think, is marvellous. So what about you? What about your hopes and fears, thoughts? What's changed in you? Good, bad? I'd be interested to know. Am I the only one that feels that, apart from the body aging, fortunately the mind has managed to hold on to its initial... I still have, okay, I'm unemployed, I have no money, but I still have that daily get up and go. I still have that enthusiasm, and I still have that eagerness to find work. So let me know. I've got to go shopping. See, still don't like shopping. And I'll catch you guys later. For now, bye bye. See you later. Bye.